Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to show you guys my YouTube screen recorder that I built with the help of Claude Code. Yes, I usually use Capcut for my screen recording, but I recently had issues. So I'm like, why don't I build my own YouTube screen recorder? So voila, this is my screen recorder built using Claude Code or with the help of Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. So in Visual Studio, we have the extension Claude Code. So that's how I built with the help of Claude Code in Visual Studio that made it possible for this YouTube screen recorder app. So basically, the functionalities are very simple. On the top sort of block here, I can select my source, so I can change the screens. I've got two screens right now, the main laptop screen and the second screen is my connected main screen. And then I can also select the windows and I can refresh, okay? On the top right-hand side, just a basic settings page. I can set the quality of the video, set where the videos will be recorded to, some countdown duration settings here, some hotkeys, and of course the app theme. Okay, moving down, I can change my audio settings to record the audio system or record the microphone. And from the list, I can select my microphone and of course the stop and the pause buttons. Okay, so moving over to Visual Studio Code. A fun fact is that like today is the 27th of December, 2025, and Claude Code increased our rates. I mean, they gave us twice the rates from the 25th of December to the 31st of December. So it's a great time for us to, make use of this gift from Claude Code by doubling our rates to, basically creating our app. So I decided to build this app. So, what tools are you building for yourself? Comment below and let's all learn and let's all build together. Well, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video.